Now, should you try manifesting multiple things at once, or should you only focus on one thing at a time? Now, in this week's video, I want to explore the pros and the cons of each approach, so this could help you to determine the best path for your manifestation journey. So keep watching. Hi, my name is Natalie Ledwell, and I'm the co-founder of the Mind Movies movement. And I've helped over 10 million people manifest their dreams. Now, if this is your first time here, please make sure that you hit the subscribe button down here so you don't miss out on any of my upcoming videos. All right, so let's dive in. Should you try manifesting multiple things at once, or should you only focus on one thing at a time? Now, these are very common questions that I used to ask myself when I first started learning how to manifest and how to apply the law of attraction. And one of the most important things that I learned in my manifesting journey is that manifesting is a personal practice. And even though there are no set rules, there are some principles that will increase your chances of success. And once you understand them and you master them, then you can bend them any way that you want. So this is why in this week's video, I want to explore the pros and cons of each approach to help you determine the best path for your manifestation journey. So when you're manifesting one thing at a time, focusing on manifesting one thing at a time allows you to put all of your energy and all of your focus and attention into one single goal. Now, this amount of dedication and focus can increase your chances of success. Now, it also simplifies the process, making it so easy for you to visualize and give attention to that one specific goal, especially if you're new to the law of attraction. So for instance, if you're looking to find a new job, manifesting that new job in particular would be easier than trying to manifest a new job, a new condo, and your soulmate all at the same time. Now, if you're manifesting multiple things at once, on the other hand, it's possible to manifest multiple things at once, but it can be overwhelming and potentially undermine your progress. So when your attention and your time are divided along multiple things, then it can be really challenging to maintain your focus. Now, if any of the goals are not aligned with your core beliefs, it could also slow you down and hinder the manifestation process altogether. So, should you try to manifest one or multiple things at once? Well, my answer is the fewer the better. So when my students are creating their mind movies, I always tell them to focus on one or two of the most important areas that they want to work on right now. So what's important to you? What's your priority right now? Or, use your vision boards or simply create a different board for the most important areas and keep each vision board in a different place. So if you're trying this, you may want to keep your business and career vision board at your desk or at your office or wherever you work. Then you want to put your love and romance vision board next to your bed. And then most importantly, you want to choose goals that support each other. It's really common for people to try and manifest their soulmate, but they also want to travel and see the world. So unless you're willing to move to a different continent, if you found love in a different part of the world, it's important to make sure that your goals and desires align together. One really good example of this is the way my 3 pre-made mind movies are bundled up. So I've created 3 different ones that are perfectly aligned with each other. We've got one on increased motivation, overcoming procrastination, and increased energy. Now, even though these are 3 different topics, these goals support each other when you work on them together. Now, if you haven't tried any of our mind movies, then this is the perfect opportunity for you to try them for free. So our mind movies are a living, breathing, animated vision board with all of your own images and affirmations and music that's specifically created to help you manifest your goals faster, and you can download them here for free. So remember to watch them before you start your day or right before you go to bed so that you can reprogram your mind while you're sleeping. So happy manifesting, and thanks for watching. Bye for now.